Hello, my name is Mohammed Abul Huda, and today I'll be presenting the progress of my end of studies internship project. The project is focused on accessibility in Oracle Apex, where I worked on showcasing both best and best practices. And this work was supervised by Mr. Rainer Anthony. So here's the structure of my presentation. First, I'll start with the introduction and context. Then I'll explain problem statement objectives. Then I'll walk through analysis that guided my work. After that, I'll describe the implementation phase and I'll conclude with key takeaways. So the domain of my project is web accessibility. The goal was to ensure that digital experiences are inclusive and user-friendly for people of all abilities. This work was carried out at Oracle's R&D center in Casablanca, which is the first kind of its kind in Africa. And the team I was working on is Oracle Apex. It's the platform I worked on. And it's a low code development environment for building scalable and secure apps. And for the work methodology, it was combined in three parts using Strategic Planner. It's an Oracle internal website used for planning tasks, setting objectives, and tracking progress. And OrHub used for collaboration, accessing resources, and sharing knowledge with the team. And last, we used Confluence. We use it for documentation, maintaining project notes, and ensuring proper project tracking. By combining these three platforms, I was able to structure my work efficiently, stay aligned with team objectives, and document my progress truly. So the main problem I tackled is that while Apex offer powerful features, its sample application do not fully demonstrate accessibility best practices, and this creates challenges for developers who want to build accessible apps. And my proposed solution was to enhance the gallery sample app by including clear demonstration of what to do and what not to do when it comes to accessibility. And for the milestones, we have the research phase to identifying accessibility issues and review standards. And for the design phase, structuring the app to separate best and best practices. And for the development phase, I implemented the accessibility features in Apex. And last, it's the testing phase, validating the app using accessibility tools and assistive technologies. So in the analysis phase, I explored the technical background, the tools, and the accessibility standards and guidelines like WCAG 2.1. And here's some of the tools I used to build this project. Through my research, I did identify several accessibility gaps in the sample app, like missing area labels, inconsistent use of headings, lack of keyboard navigation, and poor contrast ratios. From a user perspective, I found issues like screen reader misinterpreting forms and error messages not being properly announced, and inaccessible color choices. And when comparing with standards, I noticed that many elements did not align with WCAG 2.1 level AA. To address this, I proposed adding best versus bad practices demonstrations inside the gallery sample apps so developer can clearly see the difference and apply accessibility correctly. And here are some of the results of the research. We have the application level checks with some bullet points of each step, user experiences issues, standards and compliance, and opportunities and improvement. So my plan was to first of all, to design the app on Figma, then structure the best and bad practices of the sample app, then implement the pages of the app on Oracle Apex, and finally test the app with assistive technologies like screen reader. So in this presentation, I'm sharing the progress of my internships. Since the project I have been working on is confidential and not is completed, I am unable to present a live demo. However, my work has focused on enhancing accessibility within Oracle Apex through Gallery Sample App. Thank you for your attention. And I'm Mohammed Ablouda, research assistant and undergrad software engineer. Thank you.